So, you want to go to Warsaw? Great choice! Warsaw is a phoenix in a business suit. Rebuilt, buzzing, and full of surprises. This city's energy is a wild mix of old-world charm and modern hustle. One street is a history book, the next is a hip cafe scene. Warsaw's story is one of resilience, total destruction, then a comeback that's nothing short of miraculous. But it's not a somber place. It's a celebration, a city-wide party, and you're invited. The pastel Old Town buildings are a feast for the eyes, and the locals? Warm, welcoming, and always ready to recommend the best pierogi. Here, you're not just a tourist, you're a guest, and they can't wait to feed you. Warsaw is a city that doesn't take itself too seriously, and neither should you. Expect cobblestone streets, royal palaces, and maybe even a mermaid or two. Forget your expectations. Come with an open mind, an empty stomach, and good walking shoes. You're about to experience one of Europe's greatest comeback stories. Let's go. First stop, the Old Town. It looks ancient, but it's a post-war masterpiece, rebuilt brick by brick from old paintings after World War II. Walking the market square feels like stepping into a fairy tale, history but with a happy ending. Nearby, the royal castle dazzles with opulent rooms and golden halls, all painstakingly restored. Stand at the windows, look out at the Vistula, and feel the centuries beneath your feet. Need a break? Łazienki Park is Warsaw's green heart. Palaces on the water, peacocks and Chopin concerts under the trees. It's serene, a little silly, and the perfect recharge. Next, Wilanów Palace, the Polish Versailles. It survived the war, so what you see is the real deal. Baroque beauty, bright yellow facades, and stunning gardens. It's a quick trip from the center, but feels like a world away. These places aren't just history, they're proof of Warsaw's spirit. Bring your camera. Bring your curiosity. This is Warsaw at its grandest. Let's talk food, because in Warsaw it's all about pierogi. These dumplings come stuffed with everything from potato and cheese to blueberries, boiled or fried, always delicious. For the real deal, hit a bar mleczny, a no-frills milk bar where tradition is served cheap and hearty. Point, smile, and prepare for a plate of comfort. But don't stop at pierogi. Try żurek, a tangy rye soup often served in a bread bowl. Eat the soup, then the bowl. Grab a zapiekanka, Poland's answer to street pizza baguette, mushrooms, cheese, ketchup, toasted to perfection. For dessert, pączki, Polish donuts filled with jam or plum butter, found in every bakery window. Warsaw's food is hearty, flavorful, and made with love. Come hungry, leave happy. Every meal is a taste of history. And trust me, you'll want seconds. This city cooks from the heart. Dig in. Getting around Warsaw? Easy. The trams and buses are fast, clean, and simple, even if you don't speak Polish. Trams are my favorite sightseeing and transport in one, gliding through neighborhoods and past city landmarks. Tickets are easy to buy at machines. Just remember to validate them on board. The Old Town and Royal Route are best explored on foot. Hidden courtyards, quirky shops, and street art await. Comfortable shoes are a must. Warsaw rewards wanderers. Mix it up, tram to a new district, then stroll and discover. When you're tired, hop on a bus and keep exploring. The city is built for adventure. Accessible, friendly, and full of surprises. So get moving. The next discovery is just a tram ride or a short walk away. Warsaw is yours to explore. Warsaw's quirks are legendary. Start with the giant palm tree in the middle of Charles de Gaulle roundabout, an art installation that's become a city icon. It's playful, unexpected, and pure Warsaw. Then there's the city's protector, the Warsaw Mermaid, sword and shield in hand, watching over the Old Town. Legend says she defends the city, a superhero with fins. And did you know Marie Curie was born here? Her house is now a museum, a quiet tribute to genius in the city's new town. Warsaw is a place where history, art, and legend collide. It's a city that surprises at every turn. Serious one moment, silly the next. Come for the history, stay for the palm tree. Go for the pierogi, Stay for the mermaid. Warsaw will feed you, inspire you, and leave you smiling. What are you waiting for?